Well, Obama and Salazar, I found you quite unreliable, and to be frank, I think you're insane.
Look, advisor, I'm not crazy, alright? I know he gassed those World War I veterans one day after the bonus march, as if I could ever make such a mistake. Never, I couldn't prove it. Look, he covered his tracks, he got that idiot in Congress to lie for it. You think this is something? Or you're telling me a man just happens to win the election? No, he orchestrated it. And I saved him. I took him into my own campaign. What was I thinking? He'll never change. Ever since he was 18, couldn't keep his hands out of the armory. But couldn't be our precious Ike, robbing them blind. He participated in MacArthur's violent clearing of the bonus march encampment in D.C. He gassed them. He gets to be a general? What a sick joke. Should have killed him when I had the chance. And you know what? You gotta kill him. Should do it now. Wait. Do you realize who I am? I'm a god in human clothing. Lightning bolts shoot from my fingertips. Studied geology, you know.
At some cushy Ivy League school.
Try University of Stanford. Not one of those beltway pansies. I could break the U.S. economy in two with my bare hands. Don't fuck with this president.
I'm gonna taste your own medicine.
God, let's go.
We're gathered here today to say a farewell to the greatest U.S. president of all time. He put America first, and not himself like other presidents. He truly honored America. I apologize that Obama can't be here to show his sorrow, but I'll let you know, he can't even cope with this. He can't believe that Hoover is dead, and I just don't know what else to say.
I feel ashamed to even be here right now. Hoover was a goddamn saint. I'll kill the bastard who shot him. I'll miss him now and forever.
I'm sorry. Hell, Hoover.
Yeah, it's done. Operation Cut and Paste is a go.
I don't trust him. Something's off.
Alright. Do you want me to find all files on Hoover?
Yes, do that right now.
Okay.
Anything relating to a cyborg Hoover, I don't believe it.
That's a negative. Nothing on cyber.
Clone Hoover.
There's one in 1935 and another instance in 1936. They both died very quickly, though.
Yeah, anything else?
There's a file called Cut and Paste. I can't seem to open it, though.
Shit. Alright. Guess for help, I got it.
Yeah, they need to make these doors faster. Ike.
Yes, sir?
We got this for you. This right here. I need you to hold on to this, alright? It's got a plasma clip. Real special.
Okay.
Right. And don't kill Avsender yet. Just hold on to it.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Okay, where the fuck were you?
Look, I was doing very important things, Courier. Just calm down.
Don't tell me to fucking calm down, and don't call me Courier.
Well, what would you prefer to be called?
Avsender. Okay? And don't tell me to calm down, because I just had a deal with a fucking relative of yours, the director of the FBI, J. Edgar Hoover. Alright?
I'm sorry. That's a good choice on the name, but thanks. This is a transponder. It's the gym.
Why is there always a gym?
They just use these convenient cover-ups.
Alright.
And this key should be, I think, this one.
Alright.
Saw me. He must get the top. Demon. He's the guy at the top.
Oh, we pay my bill.
Now watch out, you're an RV.
What an RV?
Global base of operations.
You know what? Global base of operations.
Behind you. Alright, people with incapacitated.
Shut up! I think we killed the last soldier.
So this is where they buried what's left of him.
Who?
James Martin, the frontman of Obama Party.
Heard of him. He led the bass ones, I think, but he died. He was revived, I guess, but then he was corrupted and amalgamated. What the fuck is that?
James must have made it some sort of super weapon, maybe.
Okay.
But you know who originally killed him?
No, do you?
It was Kamikaze. Same one I guessed. You know, I did you a favor. On her file it said she literally betrayed everyone.
Yeah, I guess you did.
You know, those chickens are still alive.
Yeah, I guess they are.
Regenerating properties of New Zealand. I mean,
So, why do you bring me here?
this. These are the only things that remain of James. Here, this jacket, and then the X3 9.8 was used in ride control. Proved to be quite a resistant to damage. In fact, these things are the only thing left of him.
No, I respected James. He only did the things that he did because he was forced to or tricked to. I won't grave rob him.
You think he wants to go off the way he did? Take his jacket.
What about his mask?
Don't bother. It's ancient tech. We're talking 1811. You know, it actually belonged to Salazar, but Obama gave it to him for safekeeping. He never intended for James to wear it.
Was it always that destroyed?
No. It, whatever happened to him,
Pretty fucked up, I guess.
yeah. I think the super weapon might be useful, you know?
Shit.
Guns don't work against me. Conquering was just some big, masterful plan I had. Bullshit! Conquering is just a part of who we are. Everyone's a conqueror deep inside, even when they're younger. You ever steal a toy and not give it back? Build a pillow for it and expand it because you ain't satisfied with it? We're all conquerors deep inside. Of course, we all lose touch with it as we get older. Start knowing right from wrong. War crime this, terrorist attack that. It's a bunch of bullshit if you ask me.
Genghis Khan? What are you doing here?
Mongolian Empire is gonna make a comeback, just like the good old days of 1211.
You have no army. Me and Hoover killed every single Sabi agent you had.
That's a shame. But that won't matter in 2 hours.
What happens in 2 hours?
Not here. Follow me. Here, Avsender.
What happens in 2 hours?
Salazar's plan is finally coming through.
What plan?
Don't matter how much the details. Even at Mach 80.5 you wouldn't make it. And killing you is gonna take some time. Slow and painful. Like I said, the only way mankind can succeed is through warfare and destruction. And I'm very in touch with my inner Saddam Hussein. Ha ha ha! You're good. This is fun. I'll split you in two! Damn you! Son of a bitch! You got me!
I know you have a transponder. What's the password?
Salazar wouldn't want me to tell you.
What?
It's Salazar. He wants to talk to you.